Okay, this is the truck I'm using to tow mine with. There's mine. This is the tow truck, or the tow attachment. It simply hooks to the fifth wheel plate. Here's the base, hydraulics. I just take this battery lead, this positive lead, up there to the underneath the door on this one here. That's where the batteries are. Hook the positive on, and that operates this hydraulic pump here, and it's electric to hydraulic. It grounds out through the fifth wheel plate in the base. And this is how you do the chains. You simply wrap it around the frame like so, and you chain it to the axle like that. As you see, I've got it off the ground a good ways. And then the center axle on my truck, you have to chain that up so it doesn't bounce around.